Good morning students. Hope all of you are safe and fine. Today we are going to start our first chapter of class 4 maths, building with bricks. In this chapter our first topic is 2D and 3D shapes. इस चैप्टर में हम 2D और 3D 2D मीन्स 2 डायमेंशनल एंड 3D मीन्स 3 डायमेंशनल शेप्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. 2D shapes. 2D shapes are those that can be drawn on flat surface, such as plain paper. It has two measurements, length and breadth. So it is also known as two-dimensional or 2D shape. So 2D shapes ऐसे shapes होते हैं जिसके सिर्फ 2 ही dimensions होती है, जिसमें length और breadth सिर्फ ये 2 चीजें होती है. और इसको हम एक प्लेन सरफेस पे या प्लेन पेपर पे किसी फ्लैट सरफेस पे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल, ट्राइंगल, सर्कल एक्सेट्रा. First example of 2D shape is square. Square has 2 dimensions, length and breadth. But if you observe the picture carefully, you will see that both the length and breadth are equal. So we can say it as side. First side and second side. So square is a 2D or 2-dimensional shape. यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं स्क्वायर में 2 डायमेंशन है, एक लेंथ और ब्रेथ, बट दोनों लेंथ और ब्रेथ यहाँ पर बराबर हैं, इसलिए इसे हम साइड भी कह सकते हैं. एक साइड ये है ऊपर वाली और दूसरी साइड नीचे वाली. नेक्स्ट शेप इज रेक्टेंगल. रेक्टेंगल हैज 2 dimensions, length and breadth, but both length and breadth are unequal, but the opposite sides are equal in size. So the rectangle is 2D or 2-dimensional shape. यहाँ पे रेक्टेंगल में आप देख रहे हैं लेंथ और ये ब्रेथ, जो अपोजिट साइड्स की लेंथ है वो दोनों बराबर है और जो अपोजिट साइड ब्रेथ जो है आपस में वो दोनों बराबर है. Next example of 2D shape is triangle. Triangle has 2 dimensions. First is base and the second one is height. So it is known as 2D shape or 2-dimensional shape. Next example of 2D shape is circle. Here the first dimension is center and the second one is radius. So यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं आप सर्कल में एक सेंटर है और एक रेडियस है. सेंटर एंड रेडियस आर 2 डायमेंशन ऑफ दिस सर्कल. नाउ 3D shape. Definition of 3D shapes is 3D shapes are 3-dimensional shapes. It has 3 measurements. First is length, second one is breadth and the third one is height. It is also known as solid shapes. Some of the example of 3D shapes are cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, etc. First example of 3D shape is cube. It has 3 dimensions, length, breadth and height. Breadth is also known as width. Next example of 3D shape is cuboid. Cuboid also has 3 dimensions. First one is length, next is breadth and height. This is the length of the cuboid, this is one is the breadth of the cuboid or width of the cuboid, and this one is the height of the cuboid. Since it has 3 dimensions, so it is a 3D shape. Next example of 3D shape is cone. It has radius, height and base. This height is known as slant height. Next example of three-dimensional shape is cylinder. Look, this is a picture of cylinder and it is a three-dimensional shape. Next example of 3D shape is sphere. This is a spherical shape and it is also a three-dimensional shape. Next example of 3D shape is sphere. This is a spherical shape and it is also a three-dimensional shape. Hope all of you understood about 2D and 3D shapes. Now you can draw the picture of 2D and 3D shapes in your math notebook. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.